Every year we have this venue where I practically clean all the windows. So right now the Cleaning Expo show is through those doors over there, and we've got some quiet time. So what I did was I've cleaned all these windows, and I did it all with traditional tools. When we get all these guys that come and chat and have a go and play with these tools, we have this game where we guesstimate how much roughly each individual would charge for a job like this. And some of the prices range from hundreds of pounds difference in price. So have a look at this job here. For me, it took me 1 hour 15 minutes from the very top windows to there, but that's me working with traditional tools. Most window cleaners said that they will do this with a water-fed pole, and I would say I'll be lucky. I mean, if this was my job, I'll be very fortunate if I got £120 for this job. Now, some of the prices that people have been quoting is way over £300, but I'm one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest, with the price that I put in. So when people say, how much would you charge for a job like this? This specific place here is where window cleaners, well, I asked the question, how much would it take for you to do this job? And roughly how long would it take you to do it? And how would you do it? I just said how I did it with tool and technique, with the best performance squeegee in the world, I'll probably do it for 100, 220 quid. If it was done on a regular basis. This only gets done once a year by me, and I do it for free. How much would you charge for this?